Hi guys, welcome back to Honest Straightforward Reviews. Today I've got an unboxing of the Asus TUF Gaming RTX 3090 for you guys. Now before I continue, I'd like to let you guys know this channel is completely surviving on your subscriptions, so please do hit that like and subscribe button. Let's look at this card. The box isn't too big for a 3090, it's not too bad, it's of a good size. A bit too much information on here. Let's get the box open without tearing it off. By the way, I have a unboxing of the 3080 Ti Aorus Strigs. I've got quite a few of the Asus lineup, even in a TUF of the 3080. So if you guys want to have a look at the unboxing experience of those, you can click up top right hand corner and go through my channel as well. That's another way of getting it. Now it's got beautiful tiny little Asuses written all over this, if you can see them. There's like really tiny Asuses written all over the place. That's a nice attention to detail. Opening it up, you've got the foam to protect your card. You've got the card sitting smack bang in the middle. These are just some of the stuff that I took off already. I've opened this, tested it and everything like that. Just a bit of Asus stuff. This is always Asus does this. They do the same sort of card for their Strigs lineup as well. So that's basically it. Alright, so that's the card. I forgot to take these off, so I'll try and take them off now. So these are just little plastic bits on the fan shroud. Anyways, so that's it. It's not too heavy. I've got an Aorus Master 3080 as well. Comment below if you'd like to see me compare this side by side with that. So it's got a performance slash quiet mode in here as well to set at performance. So that's the card. It's a beautiful, well-built card. I don't have an issue with it at all. Asus, as if you guys follow me most of the time, you guys would know that I'm a big fan of Asus's builds. They do a really good job. Alright guys, that's basically it. Thank you for tuning in. Remember to subscribe, and a super thanks would really help out. That's basically it. Comment below what you guys think of the unboxing and what you guys want me to do with this. Compare it to other products, what kind of comparisons you guys would like to see. Thank you for watching it to the end. Take good care. Bye bye.